If you want to remove a payment method from your Pandora account, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Pandora website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Navigate to payment information. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled payment information or billing. Click on it to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Select the payment method to remove. Find the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option next to it to edit or delete the payment method. Step 5. Confirm removal. Click on the delete or remove option and confirm your choice when prompted. This will successfully remove the payment method from your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage your payment methods on Pandora. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Pandora's customer support for assistance.